Rolling tape right now.
Autobot. Cyberdrive.
Listen, this track is for the people who be cerebral. X-ray vision means you can see through the false, you see true. Me too, I'm number one, no sequel, and I bleed blue. I equal the square root of God squared. Praise the Lord, I'm God here. Y'all here, I blind them from my shine's glare. Jail time got me shining like Times Square. I'm shining like a Montclair, or the 2-carat diamond in my ear. I swear, the mere thought or idea on me rising got them hiding in blind fear. They queers residing in my chair. It's a time to die, and the time's here. I tear in the pieces, then I tear at the funeral. Jesus, like I care. I bear the cross of cost loss is the cost for bosses. The sauces, the double XLs, triple lives, my brother's in jail. My mother cried, cause her son was in jail. He wasn't coming home, wasn't getting bail. He worked out, he wasn't getting frail. Earned respect because he didn't tell. Getting mail after the wreck. Give me death or give me respect. And give me the check and make it blank. I make them think they don't eat food for thought. I make them drink liquid knowledge, not from college, but from the scholars who learn from chasing dollars. With honors, I was promoted, devoted. 9 to 5, 4-5 was loaded. Never showed it, never liked flashing. But I had a passion for fashion. I had all the bad chicks gasping, moving stuff that looked like crushed up aspirin. Asked them.
Autobot.
Nigga, I'm gigantic, like Avatar, Spider-Man, Titanic, Batman, Superman. Nigga, don't panic, I'm taking your breath away like if you was asthmatic. And like a crack addict, I take a crack at it. Cause I could bruise the game if I throw my tracks at it. Cause I know in my soul I'd never slack at it. I'm always back at it, nigga, you whack at it. I met the homie Mice in 2010. Let's take it back for a minute like my nigga Hero. I need that long bread like a hero, 7 zeros after the comma. And that's word to my mama, I'ma get that dinero in dollars and euros. Cause everybody feeling me, even the 1-year-olds. Even my baby cousin be saying I get it in, yo. Optimus Prime is forever one of my heroes. It's Mr. Ralph Random. Fuck that, call me Mr. Ralph Ransom, Mr. Ralph Handsome, Master Commander, middle name Alexander. Y'all need to throw y'all hands up, cause this the grand anthem. And I'ma lance him if he keep fucking with me. I know you mad cause your girl keep fucking with me. If you was with her all the time, then you would've noticed. What can I say? You sweet, I can't sugarcoat it. My nigga gon' put me on to this Twitter shit. Now I can't stop tweeting babysitter shit. My niggas tell me never give up on some quitter shit. Cause quitters never win, I say winners never quit. Now who's controlling shit? Because I'm holding hits. And I'm the nigga that these rappers should be rolling with. Cause I'm official, hard, Viagra. I got these bitches coming something serious, Niagara.